here we've got some panelling, interior panelling that's been reclaimed from a motor yacht launched in 1929. Of recent, she was stood on hard standing in all weathers for between 10 to 15 years. But she's been broken up. We bought sort of a quantity of it with the aim to recondition it and reuse it in some projects that are of the same period. So, you know, we get this lovely sort of harmony between, you know, new material being used and what was there originally. It's all mahogany, Cuban, Honduras, possibly Brazilian, you know, I'm not entirely sure. But it's covered in paint, grime and muck and, you know, this horrible red varnish. But underneath it is something quite beautiful, I think. We're going to use some of this in a refit project on a sort of 1930s motor yacht, and we'll see how much we have left over and we'll see how it comes up. So on these pieces that don't have any metal, sent them through the thicknesser just to quickly take the paint off and give them an idea of what's going on underneath. As you can see, it's not clean timber, and it was never going to be. But some of the, some of the colour and condition of the timber underneath all that finish is really quite nice. Now there are elements of staining and sort of, these little holes and things. And we will work around that as we kind of build something out of this. But yeah, pretty pleased with what's coming out, I have to say. It's quite exciting.